some of them. And then this is the next day. It's Saturday. We're here in Tagaytay to attend my tita's wedding. Here I am doing my sister's hair. She's one of the bridesmaids. And then, ayan, makikita nyo, kikipagchikahan lang ako. I don't have a lot of videos that day because it was a super busy day. This is the next day. This is Sunday. So, nagkaayaan kaming mag-run. Nandito kami sa Tagaytay Oval. We were planning to jog for like 5 kilometers. Pero umulan. Hindi namin natapos. I only jogged for like 2.5 kilometers. And then we had breakfast at Maury's. Ayan ang order ko. It's pancake and bacon. It's perfect. This is my cousin from the US. And I was asking him to say, pa-order nga po ng giniling. Tapos, ang ginawa niya, nagtawag ng waiter mag-order ng giniling. Nakakaloka. We went back to our hotel, checked out, and we ate lunch here at The View. Actually, katabi lang siya ng The Mori. And wala akong video ng food namin. Sorry, I was so hungry. And actually, wala palang signal dito sa Tagaytay. Nakakaloka. So, ayun lang. Thank you guys for watching. Mwah!